Halloween comes with its own set of worries in and of itself. I mean, you have to worry about carving pumpkins, wearing costumes. I mean, who doesn't like to dress up? You have to worry about buying candy, and let's not talk about the fact that you have to worry about plain old creepy people. That was weird. The truth is, you have so much to worry about when it comes to Halloween that you should not have to worry about what games to play with children. So today I'm going to give you 5 really fun Halloween games for kids. And make sure you stick around all the way to the end, because at the end I'm going to be giving you a bonus Halloween activity. Hey my people! Welcome back to Everything Aja. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Aja. Here on Everything Aja, I help parents and teachers just like you overcome the overwhelming feeling of creating very engaging activities. Today I'm going to help with that by giving you 5 really fun Halloween games for kids. And make sure you stick around all the way to the end, because at the end I'll give you a bonus Halloween activity. Woo! Fun! Now, our first game is called Pumpkin Frankenstein Zombie. And with this game, all players will need to gather in a circle. They will start off by facing the wall, meaning everybody's facing outward. When you say 1, 2, 3, turn, all players will turn facing the inside of the circle. Once inside, they will have to pose as a pumpkin, a Frankenstein, or a zombie. Now, this is a group game, meaning everybody's actually working together, and the objective of this game is for everybody to pose as the exact same Halloween character. So this game requires everybody to use their problem-solving skills, and you'll continue to say 1, 2, 3, turn until all players are either a pumpkin, a Frankenstein, or a zombie. Now, coming in at game number 2, I have the Halloween Search and Find. This is actually one of my digital games, so if you want to play this game, the link is down below in the description. This game is done in 4 different rounds. Each round is 25 seconds. During those 20 seconds, all players will have to count up all the Halloween items shown on the screen. Now, this game also comes with a printable for all children to sit there and count each item. At the end of the round, the answers will appear on the screen and tell kids if they got the answer right or wrong. The objective of this game is to correctly count all the Halloween items. Of course, each round gets harder and harder, thus making this very challenging and really fun for all ages. Now, coming in at game number 3, we have the best looking pumpkin. And no, nobody's gonna have to sit here and dress up like a pumpkin, although that would be fun. With the best looking pumpkin, everybody will need a sheet of paper and something to write with. Every child will also need to be blindfolded. You'll set a timer for 60 seconds, and during those 60 seconds, every child will try to create a pumpkin without being able to see. They might not even be writing on the sheet of paper. When the timer goes off, all kids will take off their blindfold and look, and the kids will actually get to judge and see who had the best looking blindfolded pumpkin. Now, this next game you guys are absolutely gonna love. But our next game is called the Halloween Costume. And with this game, all players will need to get in one single file line. They'll also need a sheet of paper and something to write with. They'll put the sheet of paper on the back of the person in front of them in the line. Now, this game is another game where everybody is working together in order to win the game. The person in the back will start off by drawing a really dope Halloween costume. Everybody will then draw on the sheet of paper in front of them what they feel the person in the back is drawing on their back. So you can imagine how funny the costume will get. Once everybody is done drawing their Halloween costume, everybody's gonna take the person in the front's paper and compare it with the person in the back's paper and see how aligned their costumes were. Now, you know I couldn't do a Halloween game video without having a really dope educational Halloween game. So, coming in at game number 5, we have the Halloween game. And this game is really simple. All you'll do is spell the word Halloween on the board, or every child can write Halloween on the top of a sheet of paper. You'll set a timer for 60 seconds. During the 60 seconds, all kids must figure out how many new words they can make using the letters in Halloween. When the timer goes off, whoever had the most words wins. Now, our bonus Halloween activity is definitely the candy challenge. Da, 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 da. This game will require kids to use all their different senses except for their sense of sight. You will choose one candy where kids will have to guess exactly what candy it is just by hearing you crumble the wrapper. The next piece of candy, kids will have to guess simply by tasting it. The next piece of candy, people will have to smell it. And of course, the last piece of candy, you will allow children to actually pass and touch the candy. Of course, the object of this activity is to guess all 4 types of candy correctly. Now, don't forget to download the Halloween Search and Find game. The link is down below in the description. And if you want even more Halloween games, especially if you want digital Halloween games, make sure you check out this video where I'll be giving you some really fun online Halloween games, but you can also play these games in person. See you in that video, and make sure you play some Halloween games. Spooky!